Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add roles in Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open that server where you want to add a new role, and after opening that actual server, click on this little icon here and click on server settings, and now click on roles and click on create role and give the role name here, and select a color for this role, and you can choose an image for the role, and then click on save changes, and now go to permissions, and from here I'm going to turn on this view audit log permission for this role, and I'm going to disable the create invite permission for this role, and kick members I'm going to turn on this, then click on save changes, and inside of this role list here you can see the new role has been created. And now let's add people to this role. So for that, go to members, and I want to give the admin role to these users. So I'm clicking on this plus icon, and from here I'm selecting that new admin role from here. So this is how we can create role in Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.